Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you have ever wanted to remove the background from your photo or video to create a professional look or just add a cool effect, today's tutorial is for you. I'm going to show you how to easily remove the background in InShot. And trust me, it's a way simpler than you think. So let's get started. First of all, find the InShot app on your home screen. Now open it. Now tap onto the video option and select a video that you want to remove the background from. Here you can find the option of canvas. Simply tap on it. Now there is a blur effect on the background. To remove that, simply tap onto fit. Now the background blur effect has been removed. So you can see it's a very simple and easy process. Now you can edit the video however you want to edit it. And then you can simply save it. And that's it. You have successfully removed the background in InShot. Whether you are working on a creative project or just want to enhance your video, this is exactly how you do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.